welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and today I already can know from the title what I've been doing or what I'm doing. Can't speak right now, but yeah, as you can see from the title, I'll be doing the James Charles Met Gala makeup look. I love it so much on him. He shows the behind the scene of what goes on and all of that stuff, and I love every single bit of it, and I just want to try it out and see how I did, and I think I did pretty good with the eyes. It's all about the makeup, and I tried to do something a little sparkly and everything, but whatever, it's about my face right now. And yeah, if you want to see how I get this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start off with my face first. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize and prime my face before I start with my eyes. This is what I do every single time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be using the Hydration Touch by NYX. Then I'm going to go into my Clinique moisturizer. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer. As you guys know, this is what I always use, so there's nothing new here. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm going to go in and set that concealer with the Patrick Star powder from MAC. Okay guys, so first I'm going to go into Punch Me. This is this nice cool shade right here. It doesn't show up light much on camera, but it's very light brown cool shade. So I'm going to go in with that first, and I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go into Tea, and I'm going to put it on a little smaller brush. This one is from Morphe, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right into the crease. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go into Spooky, and this is a black shade, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on a angled brush, and I'm going to take that just to go ahead and do that wing, that little wing that he had. And I'm gonna try it. I never use this for a wing or anything, so I'm gonna see how it works. So next I'm gonna go into my NYX liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a cat eye. Then I'm gonna go back into Tea and Smoky, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the wing. Now I'm gonna go back into Smoky just to deepen up the crease a little bit. So next I'm going to go into Face and Ring Light, and I'm going to go ahead and put it onto the brow bone. So next I'm going to go ahead and use my Bad Girl Bang mascara, and afterwards I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on. Okay guys, so I'm going to stop with the eyes just for a little bit. I'm going to go in and do my face. I'm using my MAC NW45, and I'm just going to do the regular thing, nothing new here. Then I'm going to go into my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. Next I'm going to go into the Patrick Star powder, and I'm going to go ahead and set under my eyes and wherever I put that concealer. Then I'm going to go into my NYX. It's in the Expresso, and that's what I use to contour. Then I'm going to go into my MAC to finish off my face. Afterwards, I'm going to go back into the same colors I used on top. I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom. Then I'm going to take a black eyeliner just to tighten up the waterline. Okay guys, it's looking good so far. It's looking good. Sorry. So next I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio. You guys know this is what I use for my blush. Nothing new here. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of blush. It's really pretty. I love it. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my Mario Badescas. So I'm going to go into face just to do my highlight. I want to test it out to see how it is. Never tried it one before with the highlight, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. Okay. It's looking good. It's very subtle. I like this. It's very subtle. This is cute. You guys could see it. Definitely could see it. So I like this. So next I'm going to go ahead and use my lip liner in Deep Purple and my ColourPop in Speed Dial. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the final look of the James Charles Met Gala makeup look. I think I nailed it. I did a good job with the eyes and everything else. I love it so much, and I hope you guys love it too. You know, I did finally get to try out again the James Charles palette, and I will be testing more colors like a vibrant sunset mood or something like that, but I did a very good job. I don't want to take it off, but this is so damn pretty on me. I nailed it. I really did. I really did. Okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe before you go. Turn on your notification. I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.